Today we'll be starting with exercise 3.4. We have first period now of mathematics, that is day Tuesday. The date is 5/5/2020. Class 10 mathematics. The first question says solve by elimination and substitution method. The substitution method I have already taught you in the previous lecture. Now the elimination method we will be learning today. This is one of the simplest method you will going to learn now. This particular method will help you out in solving the two equations throughout your future. Trust me. We have two equations, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. What do you have to do in elimination method? Just eliminate one of the variable. Just eliminate one of the variable by equating its constant. By equating its coefficient, just eliminate one of the variable. C. Multiply equation 1 by 2. I have multiplied the equation first by 2. That will become 2x plus 2y is equal to 2 5s are 10. The second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. I have written as it is. I have equated this 2x. Yes or no? For cancelling, I have taught you in chapter number 2 also, in division. If you want to cancel something which you have equate, you have to change the sign. I have changed the sign. This was plus, it will become minus. Minus will become plus will become minus. Sign change. I have written this step includes sign change. Cancelled out 2 plus 3, 5y. 10 minus 4 comes out to be 6. This 5 will go down. Yes or no? This 5 will go down. It will become 6 upon 5. Got it? Y is equal to 6 upon 5. Put this y is equal to 6 upon 5 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. Put it as 1. This is at 2. Take. X plus y is equal to 5. On the place of y, put 6 upon 5. Just bring this 6 upon 5 to this side. It will become minus. Take the LCM. Answer is 19 upon 5. Y was 6 upon 5. X is 19 upon 5. Got it? See the next question. Next part. You have to solve it by substitution also. Remember. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now see, in that case, plus minus was already there, but I have chosen other variable. Now what I am doing, multiply equation 2 by 2. If you multiply this equation by 2, it will become 4x, 4y, 4. See, 4x, 4y, 4. Here sign are already changed. They already consist opposite sign. They already consist opposite sign. There is no need of sign change if the signs are opposite, and you can easily solve them. In the previous question it was same, but I have not chosen this because I have to explain it in this question. That's why. You can do the previous question in the same way which I have done it right now. Okay? Cancelled out. X, 7x, 3 plus 4, 7. 10 plus 4, 14. You will automatically do plus only because plus sign is already there. We have not changed the sign. 7 will bring down. 14 upon 7 comes out to be 2. X is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Or you can put in equation number 2 also. There is no issue. You can put it anywhere. X is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 3 to just 6. Bring 6 to this side. 10 minus 6, 4. Bring this 4 to down. 4 upon 4, 1. So x is 2. Y is 1. Got it? Now do the remaining parts by your own. Now come the most important word problems. As you have already done the word problems, I'm just giving you the brief because you know how to make the equations also. In the previous lecture, I have taught you the same. First problem. if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? I've told you, if it is a case of a fraction, just assume the fraction as x upon y. The first condition says if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator is equal to 1. It is given. Cross multiply, you will make one equation. Second condition is that if you only add 1 to the denominator, I have added 1 to the denominator, it will become 1 by 2 here. Cross multiply, you'll get the equation. Now you have two equations, x minus y is equal to 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Yes or no? Directly solve this equation by changing the sign of y of this equation, cancelled out, and find the value of x and y by elimination method. Got it? Second part. 5 years ago, आज से 5 साल पहले, remember 5 years ago. Ago means 5 years before. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. There are two people we are talking about, Noori and Sonu. Noori and Sonu. The Noori age will be x, Sonu age will be y. Remember. 10 years later, after 10 years, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old Noori and Sonu is? See the solution. Let the present age of Noori be x, I've told you. Present age of Sonu be y. According to the question, 5 years ago, subtract 5 from both the ages. It will be thrice. I've written 3. By solving it, x minus y, 3y minus 15, 3 5s are 15. Bring this 3y to this side, minus 5 to this side. First equation is there. 10 years later or 10 years from now, after 10 years, add 10 to both the side. 2y, 2 10s are 20. Bring it this 10 here, 2y to this side. You've got two equations. Now solve both the equation by elimination method. Here x are there. Just change the sign, cancel them, and find the value of x and y. Now one of the most important question you will be dealing throughout the life. Trust me, one of the very, very important question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit number is there whose sum is 9. Got it? Also 9 times the number. 9 times the number. If the number is 9 times, is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So there it is talking about 2-digit number. Let the unit digit be x and 10 digit be y. If it is unit digit, you have to multiply it by 1. If it 10 digit, you have to multiply it by 10. I've done it for you. The number is 10y plus x. Got it? If I reverse this, x will shift this side, y will shift this side. By 10 digit, तो as it is रहेगा 10. X will this side, y will this side. On reversing, we will get this. But the question says the sum of 2-digit number is 9. X plus y is equal to 9. 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing it. 9 times the number is 2 times the reversing it. Solve it. Find. We have got the 8y is equal to x. Put this x is equal to 8y in this equation. Put this x is equal to 8y in this equation. See. 9y. Y, the value of y is 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation number 2. 8 into 1 is equal to x. X is equal to 8. Hence the number is 10. Y value is 1. 10 into 1 plus 8. That is 18. It was a very, very important question. Please look at very carefully. Take the screenshot while solving it. This will really going to help you out. The last question says, I'm giving you in short, do it by your own. There are two kinds of notes, 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Let the 50 rupee note be x, 100 rupee note be y. Total note she is having x plus y 25. Total note she was having 25. 50 rupees note 50x, 100 rupees note 100y. The total currency was 2000. Now solve both the equations. In the same way, fixed charges are x, For first 3 days, I have not written. For first 3 days, fixed charges are X. For each day after that, the charges are Y. According to question, fixed charges will be X plus 4 days, 4Y is equal to total amount is 27. X for the first 3 days plus 2Y, the next 2 days, the total is 21. Now solve both the equation. Got it? Just match these equations by your questions. You will easily going to understand the same. Do these exercise in your fair notebook. God bless you all of you.